Here we are again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am different kind of what's in my purse. This is a what's in my work bag / cleaning my work bag video, because for those of you that don't know, hi, I'm a mom now. My son is going to be 6 months beginning of January, and I am also returning to work after a 6-month maternity leave in January, beginning of January. So my time has come to an end almost, and I'm very sad about it, but I'm also kind of happy, if that makes sense. Like, I'm happy to see my coworkers, see the kids, but also miss the hell out of my son. I don't know. Does any other moms out there feel the way that I feel returning back to work, maternity leave? Because I really was debating the idea if I should just stay home with him right now with my mental and everything. I think I just need a little bit of, and I need to make money again. So with that being said, this is, and I need to make money again. This economy is just terrible. And I have a lot of financial goals for 2025. So with that being said, me again. So I'm now editing this, and this is going up on January 10th. I have since gone back to work yesterday. Today I called out. If that's an indicator of how things are going, then let it be an indicator. Any mom advice would be much appreciated, because my job was hell. It's still hell. And I've been bawling my eyes out and have had a pit in my stomach ever since I went back yesterday. So things might be changing, but I just wanted to pop in and say, I'm so excited. And I was kind of excited. Now I just don't want to go back. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, things have gotten better or something has happened. And if something has happened, I will let you know in the future. I just keep praying and just throwing it in God's hands right now, because your girl's really stressed right now. No amount of money can make up for this feeling right now. Like, I'm dead ass. Back to the video. Let's get into what is in my work bag. This is the bag I was using up until I went on maternity leave, which was kind of sudden because I was induced with my son. If you want to hear the whole story about my birth story, I will link it in the description or in the comments down below. I was induced with my son after having like phantom contractions, and moral of the story, I had a C-section, and the whole thing has just been misery and hell and awful, and I still have some trauma from that I'm getting over now. But with that being said, okay, so let's just get into this. So this was my work bag. By the way, for work, I'm a paraprofessional at a school for kids that have disabilities, special needs, autism, you get it. This is the bag. This is a knockoff Marc Jacobs tote bag, obviously large knockoff of the large one. I have two little actually I have three little. I have a Juicy keychain. I have a Hello Kitty. Wow, she's dirty. She needs to get washed. And then I have another little Hello Kitty, which I will be changing those out. I'm also going to be changing into the bag that I got for my birthday, which if you guys watched that video. First thing in here is this Elo water bottle, because I saw it on TikTok months ago and I wanted it, with a whole bunch of stickers from, I'll put it right here where you can get all these cute little stickers on, that I got a whole bunch for my old lead teacher. He's not my lead teacher anymore because I'm in a different classroom now this year. You see why I don't want to go back? Really like this water bottle. I'm definitely going to put this to use when I go back to work. I'm very excited to use that, so I just kind of threw it in here. Then I also have one of my old Victoria's Secret makeup bags. This is the OG, you guys, and I don't know why this is in here. Maybe because I want to switch my bag. She has a bow, or it was a bow. Yeah, this is what I used to travel to and from my husband at the time, fiance, boyfriend's house, when I used to live at his house on the weekends. I have a whole little, I put it in this Shein Hello Kitty bag. These are panty liners and pads. Nothing really exciting. One of these gigantic hair clips, because 9 times out of 10 when I'm at work, I have to throw my hair up because it just gets too crazy. I sweat. Yeah, so I always have one of these, although this one's starting to feel like disgusting. I don't know if I can clean that. Watermelon squishy, because stress. And it's a good fidget for me, since I low-key think I have something, as I keep saying. Then we also have my other bag of things. This is a Sol de Janeiro makeup bag, travel bag. I don't even know what's in here. I don't remember. Oh my god, more stuff. I have a Kenra volume spray, more dry shampoo, a whole bunch of Tums, because I'm always stressed and my stomach's always bothering me, so especially when I was pregnant. So allergy meds in here. This is expired Benadryl, and then my Zyzol's in there. Yes, I said expired. I have, oh, another deodorant. Cute. I have a lint roller. I think I got this from Shein or something. Basically, you use it and you rinse it off, and you could just keep reusing it. because I always would end up at work with a whole bunch of fuzzies on me, especially if I'm wearing black. Certain like clothing material does that. I don't know why, but I have that. This I've had for a long time. This is a CPR life key. I don't even think we're using these anymore since COVID, but I still have that in here. VIP pre-poop spray that I used to use at my old job and I still have with me. Eye drops. This is a new one because allergies. And believe me, they hit. Oh, my Sol de Janeiro comb. If I need to like comb out my hair. My hair is like really dead right now. Love this little comb. Tied to go. You never know. Another working hands cream. And then I have one of these, even though I don't like these. This is the crystal, emergency crystals ones. I don't really like those that much. I have another one in here. A second one, a nail file. Sometimes that be happening. And then I have some extra masks, like disposable ones, because sometimes we have to wear them still if someone gets COVID or whatever. And then I have a whole bunch of mouthwash. Yep. Cough drops. I have another hair clip. Okay, cool. This was all from like summer school, by the way, so I don't even remember what's in here. Oh, another one of these brushes with a mirror. I bought like a pack of these off Amazon, so I have one in my purse. Oh my gosh, cinnamon gum. This expired. I'm not eating that. I have another cinnamon gum. This also expired. I have a new pack of Orbit. This is, I hope, still good. Yes, I can still keep that. Okay, other pocket I have, I don't even know. Oh my gosh, this Escada turquoise summer perfume that I forgot I had. I've had this for years now. Like, I probably should get rid of this. I might have to. This is over 3 years old. And then I have a Revolution lip gloss in watermelon. I feel like this is also expired. It is a plumping gloss. Morphe lip oil that I also really like. This is probably expired too. Oh Lord help. Another O'Keeffe's lip balm in here because this is so good for when your lips are dry as a pocket prayers for women, hope and blessings. This just has like a bunch of like prayers in it that my mom gave me and my sister. I just keep it in here because work gets very stressful. Things just get stressful, but I feel like I should have this out on my night table when I'm really stressed out. So this might actually be moving to there. I have to go get a new work ID next week too. So that's something else I have to do before I go back. Basically, we have to get new ID cards because they have a new system. So I have to go do that. My little work ID, I have my regular sanitizer because there's something about using scented ones at work. Like, first of all, technically we're not supposed to, but also they leave a film on my hands and it just grosses me out. My ID for work. And then I have this cute thing. It says paraprofessional, and shout out to Alexis. She gave me this sticker. It says, "Do not give up," because there's so many days. So many days, you guys. Okay, next I have this little stand. This goes for my little handheld fan. I don't know why that's in here. Pack of tissues, you know the drill. I have one of these little fidget things that I found. I wanted to put it on my work ID and I never did. Then I have, this is a Laneige lip sleeping mask in cotton candy, which I don't know if it's still good. I'm assuming it is. This is not cotton candy. I really don't like this one. This is more of like a gummy or something. It's not cotton candy at all as far as I'm concerned. She's in there. And then I have this other little item that I cannot show you guys, but just know it's for people that want to come near me and I don't want them near me. That's all. Hello Kitty pen. Never know. 2 Hello Kitty pens. I have one of these Equate vapor inhaler because I do get sick. I do be getting sick while I'm at work all the time. So now that I'm a mom, I can't afford to be sick. I have another Summer Fridays. I didn't even know I had this. This is the one in vanilla beige. I hope it's still good. Oh, she smells good. Does she work? She works. She smells okay. I'm keeping her. She's been through the ringer, this one. I think it's kind of frozen though, because my closet gets very cold. I'm keeping her. She's staying with me. My hair clips, because again, the same issue with my hair like creases. I have to keep these in the morning and I go to work and everyone's like, "Nice clips." And I'm like, it's to keep my hair from creasing. Oh, I have another type to, I don't know why I have 2. Another Hello Kitty pen. And then last but not least, we have I think this is it. Yep. A cough drop. So that is everything that was in my work bag before I went on maternity leave. Not too bad. You're probably wondering, why do I have a work bag if I'm a para? Because I like to separate like my work life from like my personal life, you know what I mean? So I think I am going to be possibly combining bags. I really don't want to do that. I don't know. I think I might just keep it separated for now because I can't quite figure it out. And I'm really going to hate just bringing a gigantic bag everywhere that has literally everything for work, for my son, for myself, you get it. That was everything that's in here. And now I'm gonna repack my bag for work, and it's 4 days till Christmas right now. And I go back in like a week and a half. Isn't that crazy, you guys? Like crazy. I low-key don't want to. I just want to go part-time. Let's manifest. Part-time, 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 part-time. I would really prefer to go part-time. I might have to do that actually. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's another bag I didn't know that I had too. That's okay. That's fine. I will see you guys in my next one. Wish me luck. I love you guys. Bye.